for the workers by the nurturers. This was the topic of our team, and to explain the topic further, in this COVID situation, many workers have been troubled by their landlords, by their bosses, and they have been treated like animals. Their houses have been uprooted as they were not able to pay rent or as they were not able to work due to illness, etc. There also has been a lot of wage theft and no payment has been done to these workers. Many workers have also died while walking to their way back home, and many workers have also lost their employment and are also troubled by the bosses at the same time. To provide them security in the upcoming third wave, we decided to create a solution for them which will help them to survive the third wave more strongly and more efficiently. Importance of this problem mainly is everything that we see around us today is made by construction workers. The room that we are sitting in, the chair that we are sitting on, each and every little thing is built by a construction worker. Workers are like the foundation of our whole economical system, and if they do not exist, the architect or landlord himself won't come and mix the cement or put the bricks. It's ultimately the workers who have to do it. And if we continue to ignore their plight and ignore their situations, we would soon lose them, and thus our economical building would collapse. Then we did a user persona study of Ashok Hinge, who is an unskilled construction worker whose goals and values are to help his children complete their education. He worries what if he doesn't get work, what if he is not able to pay the house rent, and he is influenced by his bosses or powerful builders, and these people try to spread hate among the worker committee, which avoids them from getting united with each other. The solution, we decided to make an app where we would provide 3 solutions: financial help, employment help, and security help. Here each and every user will make his own profile according to his suitable language that he chooses. We have selected a user group of literate workers who have smartphones, who work in the city. That's why they would also have a data pack, and then they would have their own profile and they would put their problems there, and our committee would provide them help as soon as possible. This would be sustainable because the workers' plight is going to continue in future. Our app would make it very easy for construction workers to find jobs, and the donations that we would provide, it would help them during the third wave. This was our main motive, and we hope that our solution will help the workers improve their situation in the upcoming third wave. Thank you.